In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can turn on profile views on TikTok. Okay, so enabling profile views on your TikTok profile will allow you to see who viewed your profile within the last 30 days. The process is very straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. The first thing you want to do is tap on where it says inbox at the bottom on the right hand side of the plus icon. That will take you to your inbox page. Then you'll notice the third option from the top. It says activity, profile view history is now available. If you tap where it says activity, you can see at the top it says profile views. Profile view history is now available. So if I tap on that first option at the top, this will allow me to turn on profile view history. So it tells you a little bit more about it. Others can see that you viewed their profile in the last 30 days. Only you can see who viewed your profile, and so on and so forth. All you need to do to enable this is to tap at the bottom where it says turn on in red. And it says your profile viewers will appear here. Now, obviously I just turned it on, so I will have to give it a moment or a couple of hours in order to gather some data. But that will be the process of how you do it. And then you can go back, then you can tap on activity, tap on the option at the top, and you'll see the people who viewed your profile. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.